I'm sure you must be knowing about how to do SEO onto the website. Let me give a recap. You can do SEO by two ways. One is the on-page SEO, other one is the off-page SEO. In on-page SEO, you go and create the relevancy on your web page for whatever keyword you want it to rank into the Google search engine platform. The other part is you go into the off-page SEO. In off-page SEO, your main job is to go and build the links. Now, when I say links, I'm certainly referring to two important things right now in terms of getting links. Number one is the you have to go and get the good quality backlink. Secondly, when it's a good quality, I'm certainly referring about the website having the high authority. In simple words, the websites which are really popular. The second important thing is when I'm going to get a backlink is you have to go and get the backlink not only from the reputed websites or popular websites, but also they should be related to your website content. Then only you will be able to do the good justice with your off-page SEO work. All right. So today I'm not really going to talk about what are the ways you can go and get the backlinks for your website, but I'm talking about a situation when you've already done the damage, or I could say you've already done the job of off-page SEO. It means you've already got the backlinks for your website. Now, when you get the backlink for a website, there could be a possibility the links what you've got, some of them would be really good, but there would be certain links which might not be that great. They would be called as a bad link. So we need to understand what are those bad links which are not really going to help your website in the ranking, and what all you could do to get rid of those bad links. So this is the topic today for us to learn how to get rid of the bad links on your website. Right? I will show you a couple of things here for you to understand how to remove bad links from your website. Right? So first thing first, we will try to understand what are bad links. Bad links are those links which violates Google's guideline. Bad links are those links which violates Google's guideline. What are those guidelines? What Google gets? Google says very clearly the links what you get should not be bad links in terms of the link should not be having spam score, high spam score. The link should not be of a low authority score, and the link should not be non-relevant to your website content. Right? So these are the things which Google recommends when you're going to get a backlink for your website. Right? So if your job is to identify what are the backlinks, so you have to go and clearly check if the link whatever you're getting is having a high spam score, the authority score is on a lower side, and the content on that website, is it related to your website or not? If you find it is not related, very much different, then certainly it is not a good link for you. You have to go and take the quick action to remove those links from your website. Now, what are tools you will use to do this job? One, these are two tools which are really very handy, useful for you to do this work. One is the Ubersuggest, other one is Ahrefs. Right? I will show you how to use Ubersuggest for doing your activity. All right. So assuming you have been to Ubersuggest and you are able to identify the bad links. Now, what to do next? Once you are able to identify the bad links, what is your next job? It means you have to go and remove those bad links. How? There are two methods technically. One is if once you're able to identify from which domain you are getting the backlink, the bad backlinks, please connect with the webmaster of that website and request them by sending an email requesting them to take down your link which is appearing on a given page of their website and where it is linking to your website, so that they can just go and remove the content from their server which is linking to your website. This is the best method. But there could be a possibility, in spite of you trying to connect with the webmaster for multiple number of times, and the webmaster is not responding to you back. Then in that case, the only solution which is left to you is use the disavow tool from Google to take down the links. Right now, if you've done this job disavowing the link from Google, then within how many days you will start seeing the result. So technically for this side, Google has not really given any specific timeline, but Google says very clearly it might take a couple of weeks for them to show the results. It means they are certainly going to do the job of rechecking those links, and if they find it is not relevant, they are certainly going to take it down. But it will take a sweet time of its own. They are certainly not giving anywhere written that they are going to take only exact number of days or exact number of weeks, but it is being said it takes couple of weeks. What is that number? Nothing is identified. Right? So this is the entire process what you are supposed to follow when you're trying to get rid of a bad backlink to your website. Now I will show you the working method how actually you should do this job. All right. So please follow me. Let me open the Uber Suggest tool. Uber Suggest. Right. Let me open here. Log in with Google. All right, I am already logged in very well. Now you could see this is my website, and I could see the backlink that 351. Let's go and try to analyze these backlinks. So let's look at the data. Now these are the links which I'm getting from different websites. Now look at this data. One is waiter late some why something is there. Source is google.com ph. So this is the source of this. So if you see this arrow mark, click on this, it will take you to the respective website. The page you're trying to send to this. If you do not want to visit this page, return to the home page. There is a problem with the redirection, and it is not working for me right now. Now, where this page is linking, this page was linking to target this. Okay, so nice. So let's look at it in the same way. The domain score is 89, page score is 21, and so on and so forth. Domain score is nice for this. Silicon India, this is good domain. I don't have to worry about it. Website integration, App Crayon, and something. So this is. Let me open this website. This is also looking to be a good website. So no problem at all for me. This is okay. This is okay. DIY blog UPSC. Bethon. Now here see buy nitroglycerin online nitroglycerin pharma something. Click on this. It is beyond.com forum something is there from where this link has came to my website. If you look at this website, it is domain score is 58, which is actually good, but still the link which I'm getting is not a good one. It is cheap nitroglycerin free something. So I do not want my website to be linked to this one. So what I can do in this case, I can go to this website beyond.com and I will tell them on this page there's a link which is coming to my website. Please go and remove it. Yeah, you got to see here. So this is the link. So I can certainly give them this link and saying that kindly remove my link from your website. So how do I find their contact? One method is I can go and where is honor membership contact us. I do not find a phone number only, but it's no email ID mentioned here. Let's see what else we could do. We could do gallery FAQ if you can find somebody. No, about us. I do not find anyone here right now on this website. Okay, so what is the other option for me right now left out? Let me see. I have a tool. Let me see if he's able to help me out. More tools, extension. Just check if it is going to help us. Yeah. So let me go to the contact us, home. So we are not able to locate any email ID on this website. Right. Let me go to the forum as well. I'm afraid we do not have any. Same one. Okay, no idea. We do not have any link available on their website. So the one thing is I can do, take this URL and go and try to find out on whiz.com. Let's see if we can find any data about this website here. And always search beyond.com and whois.com. Let's go and check if you can find out any email ID. No, no. Abuse.godaddy. We do not find any data. All right, nothing to worry. So right now we do not get any data or any contact email ID from this website. Now I will leave it. Not to worry about it. Come back here. So right now I'm back here on the Uber Suggest. So in the same way there are many more. So let's say I don't want to look at any more. So I will just go and export this CSV. No thanks. Super. So we got to see the source page, title, then we got to see source page URL. Let me expand it now. Okay. I could see source URL, target URL, anchor backlink. So what is that all we need right now? So this title is not really required for me. I need the source URL from which source my website is getting a backlink and where that link is linking on my website. All right. So target source URL, target URL. These two things are very, very important for me to see the data. So rest of things are certainly not required for me. I just take them down. Similar way I can take it out as well. Now, out of all these things, what is more important for me to understand is, right? The target URL is good. It is going to help me out if it is linking to right place or not. So certainly it is all linking to my website only. So I can also take them down. Not really very much required. The only thing is required for me is the links which I'm getting. So google.com, Silicon India, Apcron, Daily Markers, right? Blog, GeoHazist. So this one I don't want, like Nitrosin, what you see. So these things are okay for me. I remove it from here. Nitroglycerin, Smart Video, Geoxys, Top Page, Roboxy Roleplay, Web i7 is okay, Soft, not required. So this is a manual work which you would be expected to do by yourself to filter out the domains which you do not want. Okay, assuming this is the entire list what you got, then just go and file and save it. Save as a notepad, desktop, and where is the text file? Text, text. And you got text template limited. I could say backlinks. Yes. All right. Now you have got the all the backlinks from which you want to get rid of. So what do you do next? Don't save. You have to go to and search Google disavow link or tool. I could say rather than that tool. Right, you got to see now. You see it is google.com webmaster tool disavow link. So go to this. So technically, this disavow link is available in your search console. Now here you will find what if you are in the search console, you will find all the different websites, whatever you have got, right? And here is the disavow. So for which website you want to disavow the link, right? So let me. I'm on a different website. So what do I do now? I will go and change it here. Let me see if I got any backlink here for this website. This is a new website which I've got. So in this case, I will sign out and use another link. Start now. Use another account. Yes. All right. Super. So I'm back again out of this place. Okay. Let me search that link, whatever I had. Google disavow tool. The link. It is under tools. Now you could see I've got my websites here. So let's say I took this one and it says disavow link. Now you got to see this page. These are I could say warning from Google. This is an advanced feature and you should try with a caution. If you are using incorrectly, this could be potentially harmful for your website performance in Google searches. So this is a disclaimer which is being given by. It means maybe by any chance you have given your good link also into the list, then your site will be getting impacted. You might lose the good link as well. So that is what it says. When you're doing this job, you have to be very, very extra careful and check if you're not putting any good link into this list. Got it? But anyways, I am just going to do this job now. Now here you see this disavow link. Click on that. Now it is going to tell that upload a text file containing only the links you want to disavow. This job we have already got it done. Now in this link or in this file, these are all the links which I do not want to be linking to my website. So I want to remove this link from my website. So click and save it again. Now you have to just go choose the file and pick up the file from here. Bad links. Open. And you have to click on submit. Once you do this job, you have done the disavow link submission. And you don't need to do it again and again. You have to do it again only when you found the new list. Now this link would be always available with Google, right? In this link, in this file, whatever links you have given, they're already listed. And if you have got something else to add on, just go and append that list and resubmit it again. So in that way, you would be able to notify all the bad links which you're getting for your website, and Google would be able to take out all those bad links from your website, and you can make a website neat and clean with the good quality backlinks only. All right. So I hope I was able to make you understand how to disavow the link from the bad links, whatever you're getting for your website. So please try this one. And in case you've got any problem, you're getting stuck anywhere, you can always come back to me. I should be able to help you out. All right. Till then, enjoy.